Most drivers think fuel is just fuel, pump it in and drive off. But here's the hidden truth. The right additives can keep your engine running like new, prevent expensive repairs, and save you thousands over your car's lifetime. Mechanics don't usually bring this up because, while you can buy a bottle of additive for $10 to $20, they make hundreds or even thousands when your car breaks down. In this video, we will uncover the additives mechanics don't want you to know about, the real costs they save you, and even the brands you should be looking for. Let's get started. Number 9. Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant Fuel Injector Cleaner. Fuel injectors are like the heart surgeons of your engine. They spray a precise mist of fuel for combustion. But over time, that mist turns into a weak spray because carbon and dirt clog up the nozzles. When this happens, your car feels sluggish, guzzles more fuel, and starts shaking at idle. A mechanic will gladly charge you $150 to $400 for a professional injector cleaning. But here's the secret. Products like Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus, Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant, or Royal Purple Max Clean can often do the same job for under $15. Add them to your tank, and within a few miles, your injectors spray like new again. Instead of paying for a repair, you've just restored performance and saved a few $100 without leaving your driveway. Number 8. Octane Boosters. Boostane, Torco, Royal Purple. When your engine knocks, it's scary, and mechanics know it. They'll charge $500 to $1,000 for diagnostics, when sometimes all you need is better fuel. That's where Octane Boosters come in. Boostane Professional is a powerhouse additive that can turn regular pump gas into race-quality fuel, perfect for performance engines or turbo cars that need high octane to stay safe. Torco Unleaded Accelerator does the same, giving you race gas performance without paying $10 a gallon at the pump. For just $12 to $20, you can stop knock, unlock horsepower, and save your engine from catastrophic piston damage, a repair that would cost thousands. Number 7. Fuel Stabilizers. Seafoam. Here's a hidden killer of cars that sit unused. Stale fuel. After a few months, gasoline breaks down, leaving behind varnish and gum that clog carburetors and injectors. Mechanics love this because when you pull your car or motorcycle out of storage and it won't start, they'll charge you $300 to $600 to clean the fuel system. But a $10 to $15 bottle of stabilizer like STABIL Storage Fuel Stabilizer or Seafoam Motor Treatment keeps your gas fresh for up to 2 years. That means when you turn the key after months of sitting, your engine fires right up like nothing happened. It's the ultimate preventive strike, and mechanics rarely tell you about it because it keeps you out of their shop. Number 6. Diesel Additives. Power Service Diesel. House. Diesel owners face unique challenges, especially in cold weather. Fuel can gel into a thick wax that blocks lines, leaving your truck dead in the driveway. Mechanics see this every winter and charge $200 to $800 for towing and repairs. Want fix? A bottle of Power Service Diesel Fuel Supplement or House Diesel Treat. These additives prevent gelling, improve cold starts, and add lubricity to protect pumps and injectors. Considering a diesel injector replacement can cost over $2,000, while spending $15 to $20 for prevention is the smartest move you can make. Every diesel driver should have a bottle in their truck, especially in winter. Number 5. Carbon Cleaners. Techron BG44K Seafoam. Carbon buildup is like cholesterol. It slowly strangles your engine until it struggles to breathe. Mechanics love to sell $300 to $600 carbon cleaning services, but additives like Chevron Techron Concentrate BG44K and Seafoam High Mileage dissolve carbon deposits gradually. The result? Smoother acceleration, better fuel economy, and fewer misfires. Even performance cars benefit, as they're more sensitive to carbon buildup. Instead of paying for a professional cleaning once your engine is already suffering, you spend $15 proactively and keep it clean all along. Number 4. Water Removers. Heat. Startron. Ethanol-blended fuels attract water, which rusts your tank, corrodes injectors, and destroys pumps. A fuel pump replacement costs $800 to $1,200, but you can avoid it with a $10 bottle of water remover. Heat and ISO-Heat are classics, preventing water from freezing in winter and corroding parts year-round. Startron enzyme fuel treatment goes even further. breaking down water clusters and improving fuel stability. For pocket change, you can waterproof your fuel system and avoid one of the most common hidden killers of modern cars. Number 3. Liqui-Moly Jectron Fuel Injector Cleaner. Liqui-Moly's Jectron is engineered for precision engines, especially European cars like BMWs and Audis. It cleans injectors, stabilizes combustion, and prevents knock before it ever starts, all while improving throttle response. Mechanics rarely mention it because they profit from injector or valve repairs when carbon buildup goes unchecked. A single bottle costs around $15 to $20, but it works like a professional workshop treatment, maintaining performance and fuel economy. Add it regularly, and your engine runs smoother, lasts longer, and avoids the costly issues that shops love to fix. Number 2. Fuel Accelerator Torco Unleaded. Torco's fuel accelerator is a favorite among performance drivers because it can transform regular pump gas into fuel that performs like premium or even race grade. By boosting octane and stabilizing combustion, it prevents knock, pinging, and pre-ignition issues that mechanics know eventually lead to piston or valve damage. Instead of paying thousands for engine repairs, Torco lets you protect your car with a $20 can. The bonus is that it also unlocks hidden horsepower by allowing engines to run at their best. Mechanics keep quiet about it because they'd rather profit from detonation damage than help you stop it in the first place. Number 1. System Booster LubeGuard Fuel. LubeGuard's System Booster is like an all-in-one upgrade for your fuel. It improves octane, cleans injectors, boosts lubricity, and reduces emissions, all in one treatment. Mechanics won't usually recommend it because it prevents multiple common issues that make them money, like clogged injectors, dirty valves, or failing pumps. For around $10 to $15, it restores power, smooths idle, and can even improve fuel economy by several percent. It's especially useful for older vehicles or engines that see heavy use. That's all for this video. Fuel additives aren't magic potions, but they're powerful tools for preventing the exact problems that shops profit from. For $10 to $20 a bottle, you can avoid $500 to $2,000 repair bill and keep your car running like new. Mechanics don't highlight these products because prevention doesn't pay their bills, but now you know their secret. See you in the next video.